setup. Teradek on a Cardellini, Atmos Shogun, and the battery right there, blah 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 blah. And I will see you guys on Thursday for the prep. And I totally forgot to pack my car, so it's 2 a.m. loading Big Pelican cart. Ridiculous. Ted, that is as big as your arm. For scale, hand.
Yeah.
Hand for scale. Nothing's here, nothing's here. There's Ted. Here's the outside. Truck. Hey Ted, how's it going? I'm working here. He's not working.
I just kind of wafted it up and down.
Okay, he's kind of working. Prep on a sidewalk. That's what I'm doing. Just got back from a shoot, and then someone's renting some gear. 703, Bolt 703, filter follow focus. We're shooting on red, old red with a vintage Cook, and just troubleshooting stuff. That's my day today. And then after this, I have an actual prep where I have to put Cook anamorphics on a run too.
Too many Teradeks. Which one is mine?
What's up, dude?
Oh, what's up, Ryan?
I'm just doing a little camera tear down. Are you building or breaking down?
I'm building.